Let's see how to fix the Tapo Mini Smart Wi-Fi plug when it's offline. You see here that mine shows the information on the Tapo app. I'm using this model here, that's the Tapo P125M, but the solution applies to any smart Wi-Fi plug from Tapo, okay? You see that I have more devices offline right now because they are connecting to this repeater just right here. And I don't have internet available. You see here that I have this red LED for my repeater. So internet is not working and the other devices are connecting directly to the router, right? That's why they are working. So basically it's an internet issue. Even though if it's connecting to the repeater directly, there's no internet connection. You see that I have the cable unplugged. I'm just simulating here the situation where I don't have internet available. The device is on, it's connected to power, the repeater, right? But there's no internet. So I'm just going to connect the cable back here. Then I'm gonna have internet available. There we go. Now I just need to wait for it to connect again to the internet. Basically, it's my repeater that connects to my router via cable. Okay, and here you're gonna see in a while it's coming back online. It just take a while. You see, I have other devices still offline. I just need to wait now, refresh sometime to see if it goes online. Just be aware that the connection exists between the devices via Wi-Fi. It's just a connection to the internet that's not working. So you can come to your repeater and just unplug from the power supply and plug it back. You can also unplug and plug the Ethernet cable to make sure that's working. And you can do the same with your router if you don't have a repeater. Maybe the problem is with your router, okay? So let's just wait for a while. There we go. You see that smart plug Tapo P125M, it's back online. The other devices are not online yet. They're still trying to communicate with the repeater and also with the Tapo servers, right? But it's working now. Let me just press here and see if it works here to turn on the lights. You see it, that's working. And I can just press here and turn off again. So it's basically working. If that doesn't work for you, you can just come here and just reset and start the process again. You can do just the soft reset, which means you're going to put this smart plug in the setup mode and start over. So just press and hold for 5 seconds. Don't hold for less than 5 seconds, otherwise you're going to totally reset the device. So I will just press and hold here and count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I let it go. And I just want to observe here that it's flashing orange and blue. So it's good to go. You just disregard this and come here to the plus signal, add a new device and look for plugs. Look for the model here. Mine is Tapo 125M. It's flashing orange and blue, so I'm good to go. Now it's going to connect via Bluetooth. That's the first step. The cell phone finds the smart plug, and now the cell phone needs to tell the smart plug which Wi-Fi to connect to. Then I just reselect here to the one that I prefer using here. That's the one, and that's the password that I'm going to use. I just hit next, confirm here, and now the smart plug is connecting directly to the router. And I'm no longer using the repeater here, okay? I'm connecting directly to the router now, because I have 2 different signals here, one for the repeater and one for the main router. It's a pre-configured device because I just reset it for by pressing for 5 seconds. So it keeps the information. So I just hit here, keep, and almost done. Just check firmware here, sounds good, got it, and it's ready to go. Just take a while to get the correct name. There we go, and it's back working. And I can just turn on and turn off the light back there because it's working, okay? So basically that's the way you can fix this problem with your Tapo Smart Plug offline. I have here the P125, but it works with any Tapo Smart Plug. I hope that helps. Leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, give me a thumbs up, and I see you in the next one.